The integration of real-world and virtual world is what we call Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 aims to connect the entire production process through ICT technologies and also make the production facilities intelligent through real-time monitoring and feedback, which will ultimately increase the productivity. At present, the most important technology is network communication that enables connections from things to things, wherein the most attractive technology is the 5G communication network. 5G is short for fifth generation, and it is a communication technology that is 20 times faster than 4G, and the latency is only 1/10 of 4G. 5G communication technology is characterized by super high speed, ultra low latency, and hyperconnectivity. These features meet the requirements of smart factory. However, the 5G commercial network operated by the telecommunication service provider cannot be managed by a factory itself, since it is difficult to provide the customized network services that are required by the factory. Accordingly, the Ministry of Science and ICT has established a private 5G policy named EUM 5G. Private 5G is not operated by telecommunication service providers, but a small-scale customized 5G communication network built by an individual company in a limited area with designated frequencies, as required. By configuring the factory's internal network as a private 5G, it can provide customized network services tailored to the communication requirements of each factory, and thus increase the productivity and reduce time and cost by optimizing operations. Our goal is to meet various requirements of the manufacturing field and expand the coverage of the 5G network, such that the factory can operate without interruption and further enhance the manufacturing process. To this end, the private 5G and manufacturing operation system are integrated together as a factory's IT asset, so that this factory can perform its own 5G network service quality management. This is the CTR Changwon factory, in which a pilot project is being implemented by integrating private 5G and manufacturing operating system. Out of around 60 production lines, the ball joint line, which consists of 13 sub-processes, and the AMR are connected through a specialized 5G network. Accordingly, it becomes much more convenient to relocate or replace manufacturing equipment, and also improves the management efficiency by monitoring AMR in real time. We also implemented a use case by modeling private 5G as AAS digital twins, which makes it easier to manage private 5G as a part of our IT assets. The private 5G at the CTR Changwon factory is structured as follows. 5G Core manages user equipment and radio access network, and performs data communication between factory devices. The assets of these factories are managed by the MOS system as a unified manufacturing operating system. The benefit of private 5G is diverse. With the convergence of IT and OT, advanced applications such as real-time monitoring and control, prevention of accidents can be achieved more easily in the smart factories. In addition, extension of industry clusters leads to the digital transformation of the entire value chain. In the future, this system will be further developed into a next-generation system that can encompass all the processes through the integration of private 5G and MOS. In addition, we also plan to provide low-cost private 5G services with limitations on coverage range. In specific, we will develop some generalized packages that can facilitate the optimal data operation of manufacturing system for small and middle-sized enterprises, which could be deployed in factories at low prices. With this entry-level package, we plan to expand our service from the automotive parts industry to various industrial fields in the future. Through above activities, we expect to achieve innovation in technology development and manufacturing industry at the same time, and also make active reactions to national policies.